All right, guys, welcome to the video. You're here with me, Michael, and my lovely colleague, Tony, at AuroraFS. We're in the Australian office here at AuroraFS. We want to share with you the journey and how we're going, and also how the idea came about. So, the idea came about from obviously the internet. The internet has changed the world, how we conduct, everyday business, how we live our lives online. But it has brought a lot of problems with it. And one of those is that the tech giants have really gained an enormous amount of power over our everyday life. So everything that is on the internet belongs to these tech giants. And worst of all, billions and billions of people around the world are controlled by these, just essentially a dozen or so censorship administrators around the world.
So it looks like we're getting into absolute powers that bring absolute censorship and absolute corruption potentially.
Since the launch of Ethereum, we have really shared the same dream as some of the top blockchain professors, experts in the world, which is to remodel the internet with decentralized technology and transfer data ownership from the hands of these big tech companies back into the hands of everyday people like ourselves, or like yourselves as well.
So without question, we know now that the metaverse of the future must be decentralized. Otherwise, we'll always have someone, big brother, controlling us, looking around your shoulder and censor you.
Right, and decentralization is an inevitable trend coming into the future. And in any practical application, user experience and cost obviously become an essential for achieving some sort of business or commercial value as well, some sort of real usability. And as a basic platform for carrying decentralization, obviously high performance, decentralized transactions, storage, traffic distribution, computation, and even messaging is required.
Yeah, the present performance is actually quite poor in a blockchain networks. We have Bitcoin and Ethereum that would reach speeds of 10 TPS. And with YouTube channels, we know we need hundreds and hundreds of thousands of kilobytes or even megabytes. And of course, this is huge limitation for any development for normal use for future.
So after several years of unrelenting effort by the team, a whole lot of commitment, we have finally completed this masterpiece, being a high performance decentralized protocol stack, the Gauss protocol stack, and it consists of 4 major parts.
Yes, first one, most important, Vaporchain is the layer 1. It's a high performance storage and blockchain's infrastructure. It's going to provide hundreds and thousands of TPS and ability to connect global network, all devices to form a decentralized storage pool.
Secondly, the Aurora file system. So this is a high performance decentralized file sharing network, which is the basis for all decentralized applications to achieve good user experience, as the performance so far in our testing stage has surpassed the traditional content distribution networks.
Yes, and the third one, Gpart, a high performance decentralized computing platform, which will implement the matching and verification of computing resources on this decentralized network.
And lastly, we have the Falcon messaging app. So it's basically a decentralized messaging system. So it doesn't rely on a centralized server, and it enables message forwarding and peer-to-peer data transmission.
Exciting to share with you, at this stage, AuroraFS system is already running on a testnet. We demonstrate a very high performance, decentralized web hosting with ability to transfer very high definition videos. And we implemented commercial closed loop on a decentralized network.
So make sure to join us on the journey. We'd love to have you here. Make sure to follow us on Twitter, join our Telegram group. You're always welcome in the community. Obviously other socials, Facebook, LinkedIn, I think we're on Instagram as well.
Yep.
And thanks for watching the video, and we'll be more than happy to see you around in the future.
See you soon.
Bye-bye.